Hello everyone, real quick, my name is Paul Walker. What? No, the other one, with Walker Power. Anyway, I have something real special for you. If you give me just a minute or two of your time, then I will put a big smile on your face. Who's writing these lines? Anyway, if you already own solar or if you thought about it, then you should click the link at the end of this to see if you can stop the Fed from potentially taking tens of thousands of dollars from you. All the information is free. Let me ask you, is your accountant absolutely amazing? Can he get the government to pay you 50 grand for not growing corn this year? No? Do you still pay high taxes? Do you still pay taxes even though you have tax credits? Then keep watching, click the link at the end. Is it more like your accountant knows how to take your money and isn't very good at stopping the government from taking it more? Kind of like they took a 2-hour night course at a community college to be an accountant? Or maybe you do your own taxes. Listen, this offer is open to every solar homeowner or potential, no matter who you got the solar from. Most of my customers told me their accountant does not understand the solar tax credit, so I actually had to teach a lot of accountants last year. Now 2020 was rough for a lot of people, so I'm giving away 2 IRS PDFs with color-coded notes to help you and your accountant get the tens of thousands of dollars promised to you by that solar salesman who stopped taking your calls anymore. Just click the link below or at the end of the video. I'll help you out for free. It's just because I know how to do it. I want to help people. We have a lot of other offers that you might like. There's no obligation to take any of them. Let's take care of you and your tax money first. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great year in 2021. When you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family. Payment required only if you do not get the PDFs. Not to us, to the government. And they take a lot. What have you got to lose? It's a free color-coded notes already taken education. And the video will be out soon. The PDFs have our contact info if you have any questions. For more information, 908-377-1391 or Paul Walker at walkerpower.energy.
Para más información en español, contacta jasminewalker@walkerpower.energy.